All right, here we go. Upper Deck Grandeur, premium hockey coin, triple box random break number 8. So everybody's on here in the requested spot numbers. Start with XCon, who had the top 3. All the way down to Moist Jawa, spot 30. I'll randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Through that quickly. And those are the teams. All 30 NHL teams around your alphabetical order. Start the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go through that quickly. All right, just going to copy and paste those lists into my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team in 1 moment. All right, no hands has got Columbus, Big John, Edmonton, TCP, Nashville, T-Val, San Jose, TCP, New Jersey, Big John, Chicago, Ducey Man, Washington, Silverman, Ottawa. No hands, Arizona, XCon, Calgary, TCP, Vancouver, no hands, Dallas, Ducey Man, Toronto, Bruins, Philadelphia, Rizzo, New York Rangers, Moist Java, Detroit, XCon, LA, Moist Java, Carolina, Bobby, Minnesota, Big John, Pittsburgh, Denver, Montreal, Krabby J, Anaheim, Big John, Colorado, XCon, Winnipeg, Ducey Man, St. Louis, Denver, Buffalo, and Tampa Bay. No hands, Boston. No hands, Florida. And Krabby J, New York Islanders. One moment. All right. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. And again, if we hit a gold, we'll handle it the way I handled it in the class break number 7. And I will switch up the random for tomorrow's breaks. 20 spots. I haven't hit this one yet. First up, this one is 4,634 of 5,000. It'll go to Detroit. Dylan Larkin. Detroit was, I'm guessing by the yes, Moist Jawa. Let me just double check. Yep, Moist Jawa. Box 2. This one is 570 of 5,000 for the Islanders. John Tavares. Another one. And Krabby J had Islanders again. There you got 2 Tavares now. Krabby J. Last box. Good luck. Last up, this is 2,585 out of 5,000. This one will go to Pittsburgh. Sidney Crosby. Pittsburgh was Big John. There we go. Break number 8 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody. I will post break number 9 for tomorrow, and I'll switch it up to 20 spots at $27 a spot, and I'll randomize the players instead.